starts now. Ever wondered if the chatbots you talk to are secretly plotting world domination or just really good at guessing your next word? We're diving into the deep end. Can AI actually be conscious? Or is it just putting on a convincing show? Forget simple yes or no answers. We need a smarter way to look. So, what's NOESISCOPE's big idea? It's not about handing out participation trophies for consciousness. It's about generating solid, traceable evidence. Think of it like a detective gathering clues, not a judge declaring verdicts. We're looking at how an AI is put together functionally, its causal structure, not just asking it to describe its feelings. Because, let's be honest, who knows what they're really saying? The system spits out a detailed report card of evidence, not some vague probability score. No easy outs here. Okay, how does this magic box actually work? It's got a dynamic life cycle. First, you lock down the model version, no sneaky updates mid-test. Then it generates fresh, one-off tests every time like surprise quizzes. It gets hands-on with interventions, zapping parts of the system, injecting hidden signals, seeing what breaks or changes. Everything is scored objectively, based on actual behavior and results, not just fancy words. And crucially, after the scores are in, the specific test questions are retired, poof, gone. Plus, it offers different levels of peeking inside. Black box just input-output, gray box gives some logs, and white box lets you poke at the guts. All feeding into 12 distinct channels of evidence. Why bother with all this complexity? Because standard benchmarks are often useless for consciousness. Imagine testing if someone's dreaming by just asking them. NOESISCOPE avoids common traps. It doesn't get fooled by overly chatty AIs, nor does it credit an AI for using external tools as its own brain. It has a bias firewall to catch these tricks, and it introduces the operational evidence ceiling, or OEC. Reaching a high OECs, like 4, means you have strong evidence for certain functional properties, but it's still not a certificate of consciousness. Even the best synthetic agent tested only hit OEC 4, yet the official verdict was still not certified. It's about what the evidence supports, not what we wish it meant. So, where does this leave us? The ultimate question of AI consciousness remains tantalizingly out of reach. NOESISCOPE isn't claiming to solve it, but it offers a powerful shift, focusing on rigorous evidence generation over subjective claims. The next steps involve testing real AI systems and constantly refining the methods. The real takeaway, it forces us to ask, what exactly does our current evidence truly support? What are the gaps, and when should we tread carefully with systems that might have their own interests? That's the game changer.